Okay, this equation popped up on my Facebook today. The actual question is whether this equation equals 1 or 9. Well, it's not a very well written equation, so I wrote it out in 4 different ways that you can write out this equation. This is how Google Calculator writes it out. Now, of course, we know that we are going to solve it using PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. The P stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. These two are interchangeable, and these two are interchangeable, meaning that if you have a multiplication and a division, you start on the left and work to the right, no matter which one is first. That's understandable, and it goes the same with addition and subtraction. So using these rules, we're going to solve these equations. Now, this is in parentheses. Again, this is how Google writes it. This is in parentheses, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 1 plus 2 is 3. And of course, parentheses means multiplication, so that equals 9. So yeah, according to Google, this equation does equal 9. That is correct. Here's another way that you can write out this equation with 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Well, you're going to do 6 over 2 times 3. And you're not going to do 6 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 3, so you're going to end up with 6 over 6, which equals 1. So if it's written like this, then it equals 1. Let's try this now. This is all parentheses. So now we have 6 divided by 2, 2 times 3. And of course we're doing the parentheses first, so 6 divided by 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So if it's written like this with parentheses around all of this, the answer is 1. Now if we do it this way, 6 divided by 2 times 3, that rule would apply. You'd go from left to right. So it'd be 6 divided by 2, which is 3, times 3, which equals 9. So if it's written like this, then the answer is 9. The problem is that it's not written like any of these. It's actually written like this. Now, 6 divided by 2, I'm going to flip this over. We're going to do 6 divided, oh, sorry for the blur. 6, there we go, divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. And 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Well, we both agree to do the parentheses first. So 6 divided by 2 times 3. And we'll do the same thing here. 6 divided by 2 times 3. Everyone agrees on the first step. Now, there were 2 calculators. One was in 1993, and that was the TI-82. And then we have the calculator from 1996 to 99, and that was the TI-83. I was taught on a TI-82, and here's what the TI-82 does. It does the parentheses first, so 2 times 3 is 6, which equals 1. But the TI-83 goes order from left to right, so it would be 6 divided by 2, which is 3, times 3, which equals 9. Since the TI-83, they have all done it this way. So if you're an old lady or an old man like me, the answer is 1. If you were taught PEMDAS before 1993, the answer, or I'm sorry, before 1996 to 99, the answer is 1. Nowadays, though, the correct answer is 9. So I admit defeat. When I was taught, this was correct. But nowadays, 9 is the accepted answer according to Texas Instruments. So there's your answer. Everyone that I said was wrong, I apologize. I am willing to admit defeat. But honestly, this is a poorly written, a very poorly written math problem. It really doesn't tell you what to do first. So, there you have it. Enjoy your mathcapades on Facebook.